Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open PDF files on iPhone 16e. So as an example, if you are using the Safari browser and if you found a PDF file, you can simply open it in the Safari browser. As you can see here, we can read the text pretty easily without any issues. Besides that, you can save the PDF file by using this button in the middle at the bottom of the screen. Then over here we can go and, for example, save to files. Then we can choose where we want to save it. So let's say we're gonna choose downloads and let's press save. I'm gonna replace this one because I already have my PDF file. And then what we can do is go to the Files app. So let's open it. And in recents, I can already find it. If not, then we can go to Browse and search for it. In my case, I know that I have it in Downloads here. So we can open it in the Files app as well without any issues, without using any other additional apps or anything like that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!